Timo the word scout reaches the floating isles, high above the clouds. After a long journey, the goal finally feels close. A sudden rush of happiness fills the moment. A new word fits this feeling perfectly: elated. The climb feels lighter as excitement takes over. Soft clouds welcome the final step forward. A glowing sunset brings joy and pride together. The happiness feels big, bright, and unstoppable. Elated means feeling extremely happy and proud. Timo the word scout rests among the clouds, ready to celebrate the adventure.
Thank you for watching Vocab Cartoons. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Click the bell button so you don't miss our next word adventure. See you in the next video.